Turning photos into Studio Ghibli-style images is taking the world by storm. Want to see what you'd look like in a Miyazaki film? Here's the good news. With AI, you can easily create stunning Ghibli-style images and even videos with just a click. Totally free. It's never been so easy to make viral short videos. Let me show you how. 1. Download the DreamVid AI app for free from the description below and open it. 2. Go to the Ghibli feature, upload your picture, and with just one click, you'll get your Ghibli-style image. Wow, it's so magical. Plus, it's animated so the effects look supernatural. You can even choose different styles, like couple photos. Let's see how that turns out. Wow, that looks amazing. Now let's try a cat photo. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and looks just like the cats in Miyazaki's films. Click the comment section below to download DreamVid and give it a try. Similarly, if you want to see which two people hugging, just go to the main interface of the product and click on the hugging feature. Upload photos of Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Then click the button and you'll generate the image you want. And then you will get this. Of course, there are other features, such as one-click outfit changing, where you can select your desired outfit and generate it instantly. Countless interesting AI effects are waiting for you to explore. Most importantly, DreamVid is available for free. Free download DreamVid from description below now. Okay, that's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.